Welcome! In front of me I have INFINIX Watch 1 and I'm gonna show you how to change the vibration intensity level on this watch. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the side button. After you wake up the screen, swipe right on the home screen to open the menu, then scroll through the menu, look for the settings icon and tap on it. In settings, scroll through the menu, look for the option called vibrate and ring, tap on it, and here tap on mode first and select vibrate or vibrate and ring. Make sure that the vibration is enabled. Then you can go back by swiping right on the screen, and then we have the intensity option, and you can tap on it, and here we can change the vibration intensity, and we have soft and strong. I don't know if you can hear the difference, but basically strong is a bit longer and more intense, and soft is quite short and just like not very intense at all. So select the one you like and then press the side button to go back to watch face, and that's how you change the vibration intensity level on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.